Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Taking care of your body. I was watching a TikTok video recently of a woman who was explaining the toxins that we're all exposed to and the metals that we're all exposed to and how it's changing our genes, and it's been doing this over a few generations. And I caught myself kind of rolling my eyes, being like, ugh, I don't have time for this. I don't have time to find all of the things that are wrong, filtering the water, checking all the labels, thinking about my cleaners, like what's in the things that I use to clean, and the metals. I had this kind of negative reaction. And then I caught myself doing it. And I thought, why am I feeling this way? Why do I feel annoyed that this woman who was saying really nice things, actually, I mean, she was calm and she was saying we've got to become educated about our children and what's going into their bodies and helping them. They're having all of these crazy issues that they shouldn't be having. And to be honest, it feels overwhelming to me. The health stuff is so broad and there's so many things. And I just want to give my kids a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and move on with the day. It feels so heavy to me to think about bread and the type of peanut butter and the dyes and the jelly, and right? But I thought of this quote from St. Augustine. And he says, take care of your body as if you were going to live forever. And take care of your soul as if you were going to die tomorrow. And I love the juxtaposition of these two things. We do need to take care of our bodies. We do need to ask questions. We do need to be thoughtful. Maybe I need to swap out some cleaners. Maybe I need to filter the drinking water. I can do it slowly. But I noticed that I just wanted to not think about it at all. But then the second piece of taking care of your soul as if you were going to die tomorrow, to me, that's about doing it with peace. That's about taking a measured approach, a tempered approach to all of the health stuff. Where we sit with the Lord and we say, all right, Lord, there's all this information out there. Bring me the resources I need. Bring me the right information. Help me to know. Move my heart to show me what to tackle. And that we begin to make choices with prudence, but peace. And I thought I wasn't having peace kind of in either way in my mind. In my mind, it was like, just forget all of it and just eat whatever I want, not think about it, and buy whatever for the house. Or there was become a health nut fanatic where I'm always reading articles and watching interviews. And to me, it also feels like spending just gobs of money on things that I'm not quite sure are the right thing or not. And so I was kind of looking at those two as being the options. But I know that's not true, because that's not how we've even done it in our own family. We've just slowly made replacements over time. And then some of those replacements just feel very normal and natural to us now. And then we can add other things. And so I really loved the idea of, yes, let's take care of our bodies, but also let's do it with peace. That's that soul component where we're desiring God's will and we want to do it with Him and in the way that He desires us to pursue taking care of our bodies. So I just hope that was helpful for some of you that maybe also feel caught up in the health stuff feels overwhelming and I'm not sure where to start. And so sometimes I stick my head in the sand about it. Or some of you maybe, going down too many rabbit holes and letting it steal your peace. So looking for that lovely balance of, okay, let's be informed and take care of our bodies, but also let's do so with peace. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.